my YouTube channel 365-day air conditioning heating service. Trusted AC repair, weather forecast, tax and surrounding area. AC working 365 has served the air conditioning and heating needs of North Texas for 20 years. Our company focus on providing excellent customer service and quality AC and heating service. We know how to properly service all type of heating, ventilation and air conditioning. HVAC system are friendly, technician are licensed and knowledgeable. We get not the job done right, guaranteed reliable, trustworthy expert technician. Our uniformed techs are friendly and leave no mess behind. No pushy sales people. We are never helping never, and we believe in the golden rule. No hidden fees. Upfront honest pricing so that you know what are you paying for. No fine print. No one likes surprise. We stand behind our service for all model and brands. Our expert technicians are here to get the job done right. Authorities, dealer of leading brands. Easy financing for repair and replacement guarantee. 100% certification free. Making sure your air conditioning and heater are operating correctly is key. Maintaining energy costs it comforting. Now that your home will have comfort temperature no matter what season it is it when your HVAC stop functioning, it time to consider your option. Do you replace our repair it? Our team technicians are here to assess the problem and provide you with solutions that are dependable. And with your financing option, even biggest job can be affordable regardless whether you are replacing or you choose HVAC repair. Weather for TX AC work 365 and has you covered. Reliable honest service. The air conditioning and heating system breakdown always take place at most invention time. Don't worry, Thouch AC work 365 is here for you. In fact, we are serving North Tax and North Tax Fourth Worth area for more than 20 years. We understand that when you system breakdown, think you can get pretty measurable, especially here to tax. You need HVAC provider that can take care of your fast 80 AC worker 365. Whether you need air conditioning service in Fort Worth TX, a new heating system in Weatherford TX, went to add the next generation of indoor air quality. Your home or business. Aledo TX, Henderson Oaks TX, Benbrook TX, or Willow Park TX. Our fast and friendly technician understanding that timing matter. You went regard choosing the best air conditioning repair. Weatherford TX. Our company focus on providing excellent customer service and quality air conditioning heating service. We now have to properly service all type of heating, ventilation and air conditioning. HVAC air filter system. Our touch are licensed and knowledgeable out of HVAC companies. AC Work 365 provides the best service in Weatherford. Losing your AC in the middle of summer or even avoids your heat in the cold of winter can be frustrating and costly. Our team experienced technicians are here to help with all heat pump, HVAC, air conditioning repair. We understand the mechanical breakdown are never convenience, and we offer a 24-hour emergency HVAC service. We are here when need. With our 50 year of experience in business, you can count one team to provide quality service in a timely manner for an affordable price. Plus, we offer free estimate of our service in addition to our repair service. We also